Today I'm here with my cousin, Louis! Did I say my cousin? Doing Galaxy slime!
Okay. And we've got our spatula and Ken got his
wooden spoon. I'm respecting the face
because
you challenge us to do the $5,000 slime.
Guess what?
Why am I being Colin's kid?
Right here, we got magical liquid. That didn't go in the box.
One thing we don't have.
Oh, glitter glue.
We don't have a bowl.
Go get a bowl.
Okay. We'll be back when we have a bowl. Like we're supposed
Look
to
at this glitter glue, man.
Wait. Oh, guys, we're back. And have a look at this.
Okay.
We're gonna put the blue in this one, purple in this one, pink in this one. I'll put the pink in. But we'll be back when we finish mixing. So guys, let's call the long shot.
Wait.
Ready?
Long shot.
What? Oh, no. I got it. Ew.
I'm still working on this purple one. I'll finish off your blue one, Kane.
Okay.
I'll finish off the blue for you, Kane.
Why is this so hard?
Did you hear that? It was like,
oh! Plover.
plover.
Trying to catch a plover.
Oh, snap.
So guys,
This is
this is all we can get. So let's
I need to like use something.
Okay, what we'll do now is we're gonna use this thing that's called really good activator. So I'll get my
Wait. No, let's mix. No, we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix them in.
No. We need to make them into slime first. Then we mix them out. So let's
Okay. There you go.
Then we just start mixing.
Okay, let's do a little bit of this. There you go. Okay.
I don't think it's coming. All the blues coming together. Can't see. Whoa. So
At the end, we need it as hard as we can. So let's go do some work.
What about the full pink one over there?
We'll do that last.
I love pink.
We'll be done faster because we're both gonna mix it as well.
Anyways, we've got slime now.
We need to knead it.
Let's knead it as hard as possible. So, oh my god, how am I going to pause the video and end it? Liz, can you get some paper towels? Because you haven't kneaded it yet.
Now I'm still mixing so I can get all the slime into the big blob of glitter glue. Can you guys see the big blob of glitter glue? It's there.
My table. The title is still going to be Crack Death. It's not going to be Crack Death. Okay, my slime's turning out.
So now I'm going to put some more liquid in there. There you go.
You have to say something for the pink baby.
Pink baby bummer.
Oh, I feel it.
Let's mix.
It's coming together.
You're going to like really work into it. You're going to really work it in when you start to knead.
Whoa.
Okay, let's work it.
I feel it. It's coming together.
Oh.
It's like fluffy slime. If you
Fluffy
never
slime
seen
is
fluffy
the
slime,
hardest slime to
shout out to the fluffy slime. I never heard of fluffy slime.
Like, actually, it's not working. It's not actually.
Mine is working, but it's just a little bit sticky.
Oh God, this is still sticky.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna really work it in. Like at the end, we're gonna get some paper towels. I need some more liquid.
How do you? Oh, mine's slime. Mine's just turned into some slime.
Slimy
My
slime.
blue slime is now live. And go boom. I can't even say anything.
Okay.
But here it is. Whoa.
Mosquito! Ah, it's dead. Oh shit!
Still recording. Yeah.
Oh, there's a mosquito dies and it bit me. Suck the fucking.
Oh my god.
Holy shit!
Bleeding.
It's a fucking mosquito and it got me.
Oh.
Okay, slime consistency All I need to do is just knead it now.
Okay, I think I need more what's called Elmer's glue.
Elmer's magic liquid.
It's just stuck to me, never letting go.
Remember, you're gonna really work it in, and my itchy bite is hurting right now.
We're gonna mix these in at the end of the video, so let's just. Oh my God.
Okay, so
This is crazy. Oh, I had too much. It's not turning into slime. I think I need to mix it. This is so messy. This is
This is like the second messiest video we've done. Actually, this could be the messiest. What is
slime? Like slime. I'm saying slime.
Slim.
Slivery slime.
Okay, let's
Oh my God.
really work it in.
Alright, I'm putting the blender to the pink.
No, we're gonna mix the pink first.
I can't. Can we get some paper towels, please?
I can't.
Yay. Well,
I need to itch my glove. It's very itchy.
we can get.
It's like a itchy bar.
Well, it's
Like an itchy
full.
caliper thingy. Whatever. Well, it's actually very jiggly. Wow.
I think we need to mix it.
It's jiggly.
You're adding too much to this, so you're like breaking it.
Well,
I'm
this
just-
is going to turn into slime if we just really work it in while we're squeezing the
I'm
slime.
mixing.
Wait, mine's working. You just got to really squeeze it.
That's what I did, and it's still.
No, it gets very squishy like this, and it's working. Mine's working, everyone. Look at this. Look at that. It's working. Whoa. Can we do
Why
a
is mine
swirl?
so squishy?
Oh, we should do a bubble one video.
Yeah, with the slime. And that is the next video. Actually, next video, it's going to be the music video of Tongue Tiggies. Make sure you see
And
it.
the music video of Shut Door. Shut Door. That's my song.
I'll be right.
You just gotta really squeeze it. And then you should make
like a bomb.
slime. Oh, look at that, everyone. I made slime.
Mine to yours. Actually, I can't mix it.
No.
Then
You
how
just
am I
gotta-
supposed to do this? You have to get paper towels because you finished.
Like, I need like a container of this because these are all dirty containers.
Oh, mine's finally.
Give me 1 sec.
Get paper towels, please.
Get
So guys,
paper
this
towels.
is what it feels like. It feels like slime. Finally, my slime
This
is
is washable
working.
glue so you can wash off your hands.
Washable glue. It's just no. 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020.
You just gotta really work it in and you should get slime.
I got slime.
Here you go, Kane. We got our paper. I
Thank
couldn't.
the inside of my nipples.
Dickles.
Dickles. Not swearing on this video.
Suck my
You
dickles.
get flagged.
Oh no! No! Get it off my head! Get off it!
I got it.
Get off my head! Get off my head!
We're going slime.
Kane! Get off my head!
What?
Just rip it!
I can't. Just use it.
Rip it! I can't.
Done.
Just rip the whole thing quickly before you're just gonna fucking waste all the shit.
Just.
Look what you made me do.
How? Why
Just rip it as hard as you
I'm
can.
trying.
Ah,
That's enough.
it's gonna get all the slime ruined it.
How you just grab.
I'll just knead it. I'll just get a small slime.
Too
Not like a big slime anymore.
Okay,
just
time
a little
to
bit like a
use
small slime.
This slime.
Wee, it's a small slime.
Use quite a lot.
See, look at this.
Now I'm just gonna mix until
Slime.
it's.
Whoa, it's very stretchy. That's
It's
surprisingly
got very
good.
watery, so I need to
No, you
mix
mean
and
liquidy?
mix and mix and mix.
You keep mixing that while we mix our slimes at the end. I'm just gonna keep kneading until I get that right consistency.
Can you pause the video, please? Because this is so annoying.
Okay, we will be back.